Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to make potato smiley. It's very famous among kids. This recipe is quite simple and very easy to make. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. This is 3 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and mashed. You can grate it as well. Let's add the seasonings to the grated potatoes. 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, some salt and a teaspoon of chili powder. If breadcrumbs is not available, take few bread slices, grind it in a mixie and add it to the potatoes. Without adding water, knead into a dough. If you feel the dough is sticky or soft, then add little more breadcrumbs or corn flour to it to make it thick. The dough should be like this. Mix the board and the rolling pin with oil and roll the dough. This should be half a centimeter in thickness. Take a cookie cutter or a bottle cap, cut into circles. Take a straw and make 2 holes for the eyes. Take a spoon, grease the edge, make a curve for the smile. Slowly remove the edges, roll again and make more smileys. Now our smileys are ready to fry. Heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the smileys one by one. Keep the flame on medium heat. Fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. They are nice and golden. Remove from the oil. Transfer to a paper towel. Put this in the refrigerator for an hour to prevent sticking. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 6 months. Store it in an airtight container or in a Ziploc bag. Do try this recipe and share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.